How to play Lotsa slots on PC. So if you want to play Lotsa slots on PC, then first make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Once you have a stable internet connection, you just need to go for your browser, any browser that you are comfortable with. Go for the search. Once you've searched, you just need to go for the first search, which is www.bluestacks.com. And here you will have download option. Simply click on download and install the BlueStacks. Once you've installed, you will have your BlueStacks on your PC. You just need to simply go for search and search for BlueStacks, and here you will have your BlueStacks application. Click and open up that application. Once you've opened, make sure to go for the Google Play section. And under the Google Play here, you will have the search. You just need to simply go for the search. And under search, you need to search for the game that you would like to play. Once you've searched here, you will have the game. So if you want to play this game, you just need to simply go for install, which is on the right side. And you need to install or download this application. And once you've installed, then you will have a play option. You just need to simply go for play and then you can play the game. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.